Listen, there is no fast food needed. We got food at home. Check out this crispy chicken sandwich recipe. Alright guys, so today we are going to be making some crispy chicken sandwiches. I have some chicken breast here, and I like to poke holes in my meat when I know I am about to fry them, just so I know that they're going to evenly be cooked all the way through on both sides. I am lightly seasoning the chicken before I really get into doing anything else. Mustard is your friend. It is key anytime you want to fry anything, whether it's chicken, fish, or shrimp. Mustard is going to give you that extra crispiness that we all love on our fried foods. So don't ever be alarmed when you see someone using mustard on the chicken. I promise it's not going to taste like mustard. All the seasonings I use for the chicken is going to be linked in the description box below. Right here I am going to start the marinade for the chicken, which is buttermilk, and I use 3 eggs, and I'm going to give that a good whisk until it looks yellow like eggnog. Okay, then we're going to take that chicken, we're going to submerge it in that buttermilk mixture, and we're going to put some foil over it, or you can use plastic wrap, whatever you have as a covering, and you're just going to place that into the fridge for about 25 to 30 minutes so that way it can marinate nicely. I'm also going to make my own little sauce to go on my buns for the chicken sandwich. Kind of like a Big Mac sauce mixed with like a spicy sauce that you usually get on your chicken sandwiches when you go to Popeyes. So I'm just using some ketchup, some mustard, some relish, and I'm using some spicy chili garlic sauce as well. Of course with some mayonnaise. I'm going to give this a good mix. Then I'm going to sit this to the side so we can have it at the end. After I got done mixing this, I went ahead and started my flour mixture. I am going to use some of this Louisiana Chicken Fry. Again, even though I'm seasoning the chicken and the flour, it's not over seasoned or anything. All the seasonings I am using for the flour, again, will be linked in the description box below. And then we're going to take a whisk and we're going to mix this all together. Now, once I took the chicken out of the fridge, out of the buttermilk marinade, I just went and coated both sides with the flour, and then we got straight into the deep frying process. I had my oil set to 350 degrees. Now, I wanted y'all to hear, just listen to this beautiful chicken coming up out this grease, and then just look at it. Just take a moment of silence just to look at it. So beautiful. Look at that crisp. So I have been seeing these pickles everywhere, and I just had to try them. And anytime you get a chicken sandwich, the pickles on the chicken sandwich are typically very fresh, and these pickles are just that. So if you like that fresh pickle taste, get these. They were great on this sandwich. There goes that sauce that we made. We're putting that on the buns. Now we're adding the pickles. And let me just tell y'all, this came out so good. It was actually pretty quick to make. So next time you're craving a good chicken sandwich and you don't want to wait in line, you don't got time for somebody messing up your order, go ahead, pull out that chicken breast that you got in the freezer, let it thaw, and make you your own chicken sandwich, because it's gonna be bomb. I promise you. I promise. Make sure, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and turn on those notifications. Thank you so much for watching.